Hello friends, welcome to this Rotary training session. In today's session, we are going to understand about the Rotary Foundation, the basics of Rotary Foundation. The Rotary Foundation transforms your gifts into service projects that change lives both close to home and around the world. The foundation is a not-for-profit corporation supported solely by voluntary contributions from Rotary members and friends of the Rotary Foundation who share its vision of a better world. This support is essential to make possible projects funded with foundation grants that bring sustainable improvement to communities in need. It was founded more than 100 years ago, and since 1947, the foundation has spent more than $4.5 billion, something equivalent to Indian rupees 33,000 crores on life-changing and sustainable projects. The mission of the Rotary Foundation is to enable Rotarians to advance world understanding, goodwill and peace through the improvement of health, the support of education and alleviation of poverty. The Rotary Foundation is organized as a public charity operated exclusively for charitable purposes and governed by a board of trustees. The Board of Trustees consists of 15 trustees and the General Secretary. The Board of Trustees have Trustee Chair Elect and Trustee Vice Chair. The Rotary International President Elect nominates 4 trustees who are elected by the Rotary International Board to a 4-year term. And the Rotary Foundation is also well evaluated from very different organizations. One such evaluation is done by Charity Navigator. It is an independent evaluator of charities in the US. For the 11th consecutive year, the Rotary Foundation has received the highest rating, and that is 4-star. So that is really a very important for the Rotary Foundation. The Rotary Foundation earned this recognition for demonstrating both strong financial health and commitment to accountability and transparency. The rating reflects Charity Navigator's assessment of how the foundation uses donations, sustains its programs and services, and practices good governance and openness. Polio eradication is Rotary's top philanthropic priority. Rotary launched the Polio Plus program in 1985. In 1988, when Rotary began working with its partners in the Global Polio Eradication Initiative, GPEI, there were more than 350,000 polio cases in over 125 countries. Since then, more than 2.5 billion children have been immunized against polio, and incidence of polio has decreased 99.9%. The Rotary Foundation works in 6 areas of focus, and they are: the first, peace building and conflict resolution; second, disease prevention and treatment; third, water sanitation and hygiene; fourth, maternal and child health; fifth, basic education and literacy; and the sixth is community economic development. To just explain the size of the Rotary Foundation projects, let me tell you that in the Rotary year 2018-19, total expense was about $335 million, something equivalent to Indian rupees is 2,500 crores. And where did this expense have been done? It is in Polio Plus, 151 million, equivalent to 1100 crores of Indian rupees. The grants, 131 million US dollar, equivalent to 980 crores Indian rupees. Program operation is 20 million US dollar. Fund development is 19 million US dollars, and the general administration is $15 million. Friends, that means about 92% of the expense is being done in the program, grants and its operations. Then that is why the importance is of the maximization of the utilization of the donations that is received by the Rotary Foundation. The Rotary Foundation works in two parts. The one is giving. So the contributions are called givings, and it is divided into the funds and recognition. And the second part is grants, where the expenses are done in the projects. So the clubs apply for the grants and they receive the funds according to their applications. So that means Rotary Foundation works in givings and grants. That is the basic two parts of the Rotary Foundation. We will talk more about the givings and the grants in upcoming videos. So till then, have a nice time. Think of contributing to the Rotary Foundation, and I request you that please subscribe my channel and please share this Rotary information with your Rotary friends. Till then, best wishes and take care of yourself. Thank you.